Good day to you. My name is Bonnie, and I'm here to help you design a bouquet from Flowers Designed by You program. Let's get started. We're going to click on the templates, and we're going to go down to Unity Candle, and your template comes up. Don't have to use templates if you don't want to. Then I'm going to click on Accessories, and I'm going to use two different kinds of candles here. I'm doing a green one. You can use any color that you want. And I'm going to do a blue one. This represents him and her. Then we're going for the tall white candle pillar. And the two of them will take their color candles and light the one and be joined together. Okay, now we're going to go to greens. We're going to go to variegated boxwood. I'll bring this over to the side here because what I do, if you look over to the right, it says variegated boxwood. It describes it, the color it comes in, and down here has your bring forward, push back, flip, delete, or remove, and make a copy. We're going to do make copies. Just click on it as many times as you want, or you can do one at a time. And we're going to go this way. Now, it's covering the candle a little bit, so we're going to push it back so it goes behind. And we're going to do this all around. And if you look, there'll be a little hand on the bottom here, and you can twist it. You can move it wherever you want it. And again, I'll go over and I'll push it back. Okay, we have all our greens on there. Now we're going to go up to flowers. I'm going to do Bird of Paradise. And again, pull it off to the side. And I'm going to make copies of it. And then we're going to place these where we'd like them. I'm going to push that one back. And we're going to pull it up a little bit. I'm going to do this all the way around. Put them wherever you like them. I'm going to flip this one. I'm going to put it right in here. Okay, now we're going to go back over to flowers and scroll down. And I picked the Japhet Blossom. Again, I'm going to bring it off to the side and I'm going to make copies of it. And we will place these around where we'd like them. See, I went back with that, but it went too far back. So we're going to highlight the green and we'll push that back behind it. There we go. How's that? Not everything's on the front side of your candles. It'll be as realistic as possible. Now I want to go over here to flowers. We're going to click on the Agapanthus. If you look to the right, it has these colored dots that will change the color of your Agapanthus, or whatever color that flower will come in, you'll be able to change it to that. Now we're going to click on fillers. I'm going to do the Gemini single with light center. We make copies of it and we're going to place these around. These are an accent. Okay, so I got all those in place. Now I have 2 flowers left over here in the corner. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go over here to the trash barrel and it's going to remove it. Now we're going to go up top here where it says My New Arrangement. We're going to click on that and we're going to type in whatever you want to name this. And after you type in what you want, you're going to just go off to the side here, tap on that, and now it's saved. The name is saved. We're going to go down here to Save Bouquet. Click on that. Comes up here. All items have been saved to your bouquet, so we're going to click OK. And there you're done. There's your bouquet, your centerpiece, with your Unity candles. Have fun with it. Have a good day now.